Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Gadget Corner. I want talk about specifications of the OnePlus 6. Before that, come on subscribes, so this channel can provide useful information. The OnePlus 6 mobile features a 5.7, 14.48 centimeters display with a screen resolution of 1440 x 2560 pixels and runs on Android v8.0 ARIA operating system. Display type AMOLED touchscreen. Display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5. The OnePlus 6 is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and it comes with 8 GB soft RAM. Storage internal memory is 128 GB. The OnePlus 6 runs Android v8.0 ARIA and is powered by a 3500 mAh non-removable battery. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 23-megapixel camera XMIRAR CMO sensor supporting a resolution of 5536 x 4152 pixels and the front snapper is powered by a XMIRAR CMO sensor. 16-megapixel plus 16-megapixel dual front camera. The OnePlus 6 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, infrared, USB OTG, 3G and 4G. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. Sensors on the phone include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. Price OnePlus 6 estimate of around 500 to 550 pounds. Done. Okay, don't forget watching next video. Thanks for watching.